Alright guys, well, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a quick look at a new aftermarket upgrade set from Ask for the 1/35th scale Great Wall Hobby Zündapp KS750 motorcycle. This set includes a complete set of replacement wheels along with new engine cylinders, all produced using 3D printing technology. So these are from the Ask distributor company. And as you can see, they're 1/35th scale Zündapp KS750 wheels and engine cylinders. Detail set recommended for GWH, Great Wall Hobbies, and it's a 3D print. The packaging is fairly simple, but let's open it up and see what we've got. Right away, the printing quality looks impressive. The replacement cylinders feature much finer cooling fin detail than the kit parts, and the wheels are the real highlight of the set. Rather than using the kit's photo-etched spokes, these are printed as complete assemblies, which should make construction much easier while still providing excellent detail. Now for comparison, these are the spokes supplied in the original Great Wall Hobby kit. They use a photo-etched construction, which is certainly a step up from the thick injection molded spokes found in many older motorcycle kits. They build into a respectable looking wheel, but photo-etched spokes can still appear a little flat when viewed up close. That's where these new 3D printed replacements have the potential to offer a more realistic, three-dimensional appearance and a noticeable improvement in overall authenticity. For comparison, here's one of the completed Great Wheel Hobby wheels built with the kit's photo-etched spokes. The kit parts certainly look respectable, but these printed replacements appear to offer a more convincing scale appearance and should save a fair bit of assembly time and mistakes. Of course, the real test won't be how they look on the bench. It'll be how well they fit the kit and how they look once everything is painted and assembled. As modelers always say, the proof is in the pudding. One thing I did notice is some very faint print layering on the engine cylinders. However, keep in mind these close-up camera shots are highly magnified. Viewed with the naked eye, I doubt most of it will be noticeable. It'll be interesting to see how they look after primer and paint, especially since metallic finishes have a way of revealing every little surface imperfection. Overall, this looks like a very promising upgrade set for anyone building the Great Wall Hobby KS750. I'll be using these on an upcoming build, so we'll find out soon enough how they perform. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next review. In the meantime and in between time, that's another edition of Jet Scale Models. Y'all come back now, you hear?